Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix not charging issue on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just check the charging port of your iPhone and check if it is blocked by any dust or debris. Now to clean the charging port of your iPhone, just use a soft brush. After that, just check the charging cable of your iPhone and check if it is damaged or not. If it is damaged, just replace it or try to use another charger with your iPhone and check if it fixes your issue or not. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. If this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open Settings, then tap on General, tap on Software Update, and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if you have done all that and if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the charging port on your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And in the meantime, just charge your iPhone wirelessly until your issue is fixed. And this is how you can fix not charging issue on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.